Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, orange color, purple color, red color, light green color, blue color and black color. Today we are going to learn 2D shapes. This is heart, square, circle, star, heptagon and triangle. First we are going to draw the shapes. Heart. This is heart. Next, square. This is square. Next, circle. This is circle. Next, star. This is star. Next, heptagon. This is heptagon. Next, triangle. Now we're going to put the colors. Red color, heart. Next kids, blue color, square. Next, light green color, circle. Next, orange color, star. Next, purple color, heptagon. Next, pink color, triangle. What we learn? We learn red color, heart, blue color, square, light green color, circle, orange color, star, purple color, heptagon, pink color, triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.